Find out what I got in my FabFitFun 2018 fall box. Stay tuned. So I got this box a little while ago. I haven't even used anything in it because I've been on a trip. Actually, I've been on 2 trips. I thought I would do a little video and show you what I got in it. So let's open up. All right, we always know that we get one of these. I'm sure you've seen a lot of it. I want this to be a surprise, so I don't really want to look at this until after. I don't know what's just kind of weird. But this is a really cool thing. Look at this. It says FabFitFun, grateful for every little thing. I love this box. Actually, I love all the boxes. I don't buy myself very many things, and it's like, well, it is a little gift every time, and it comes right to your door, and every season, I don't know, it just makes me feel really good. I would normally not buy all this stuff, and some of it is quite expensive. So I'm gonna go through everything in the box, and we'll talk about it a little bit about each one. The first thing that I got was the Crown Pro brush set. I got mine in the black. It also comes with the silver handles. This retails for 75 bucks. I have been wanting a brush set for a long time, a nice one. I kind of just pick and choose and go to Shoppers Drug Mart, but this is awesome. What's really cool about it, I'll take it out of the plastic, is it has little notches in there for better grip. I think that's really nice, and it's super soft. There's, like I said, 6 different brushes. There's a powder brush, a blush brush, and you can use it for highlighting and contouring as well. A concealer brush, and you can use it for your eye base. I really need a concealer brush because I usually just use my hand. A shadow brush, a blending brush, and an eyeliner brush, and of course you can use it for your eyebrows. Yeah, it's 100% synthetic. It's easy to clean. It doesn't absorb the product as much, and that's the first one. I can't wait to use these, and you know, I really believe it's the tools that help better makeup. I'm not very good at it, but I learn. All right, oops, and it fell on the floor. That's okay. And we got a sample of a Luna bar, and it is, what flavor is it? Cashew butter. Okay, cool. Gluten-free. I can eat it. All right, 2 bubble sheets by Glam, say that 3 times. Glam Glow bubble sheets. They're oxygenating deep cleanse mask. It has green tea leaf in it. And it says it's for men and women. Now, the cool thing is it's supposed to bubble up and exfoliate or deep cleanse. But I'm not crazy about sheet masks, and it says it's a sheet mask. I think I saw that. And I don't know what it is about sheet masks, but I hate the feel of them. So hopefully this will, you know, change my mind. Yeah, unfold mask it is. I'll show you the back there, and this is the front. All right. Yes, this is awesome. It's a beauty blender. It's for your makeup. I've used it before. In Canada, these are retailing for 30 bucks. And I think in the States it's probably like $1, but just joking. Probably about 20, 25 bucks, I think it is. And that's really great. You can use the pointy end, you know, you just work in with your nose and underneath your eyes, and then the bigger end, and you can wet it, and then it gets bigger, and then you just dab it. Love it. That's my favorite. I'm glad I didn't have to go spend $30 for it. This whole box is $303 US, so it's cajillion Canadian. What would that be, like $4.25, something like that. Never spend that amount. Good thing my husband is. No, it's only 50 bucks. I think it works out to be 50 bucks. Okay, the next one is the Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo, and it's in the color Penny, and I really like it. It's a 2-in-1. Sorry, let's just get this out. It's a 2-in-1, and one side is gloss, and the other side is a metallic color. So let's see if I could show you on here. See if you could see that. And then it's a nice gloss on top. I find you got to just put a little bit on. Okay, so underneath it is the gloss. I find you have to just put a little bit on, otherwise it looks too metallic-y looking, if that's a word. I don't like it really bold and weird that way, but it's like a demi-matte formula. So it's that. Can never have too little lip gloss or lipstick. All right, the next one, excuse the crazy box. I haven't even used it yet, but I tried to rip it open to see, and it doesn't look nice. These are the Cobra wireless earbuds. I'm really excited about these ones because I actually listen to something every night while I go to bed, and it's called HoloSync. It's super cool. But I listen to it when I go to bed, and I wake up and, you know, my phone's over here and my earphones, so I think this will be really good for it. And yeah, you've got the buttons on there. It's wireless. You just put it in, and you have the wire here, and that's it. I think it's cool. I'll report back if I love it. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is this part. Like, I find these kind of earbuds don't fit in my ears. If anybody knows a trick, go below and let me know, because I don't know about that. And of course it has a charger, so you gotta charge it first. And what else we got? We have the Grown Alchemist Exfoliator. It's pink grapefruit. Let's smell this bad boy. Because I do get a lot of exfoliators, I feel like, in here, and I don't use them enough or fast enough till I get the next one. Of course, you have to puncture it. Yeah, puncture on the lid. Score points already for that. Okay, sweet. Okay, I don't know the smell. It's really strong. Yeah, actually, it's not too bad. It kind of smells maybe like essential oils in there. A gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to gently delaminate. Okay, I'm not even gonna read this. Okay, actually, it's kind of cooling even on my hand. The smell I don't love. I don't think it smells like grapefruit. Anyways, that's that. I'm gonna try it though, because it might be really nice on my face, and if I use it fast enough, oh my God, I didn't think that one through. All right, anyways. Yuck. All right, next is the Blue in Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Interesting. I need a good shower gel, so it's cool. Let's just see again. What the hell? Don't do this at home. Note to self, open these before I record. Well, we know it's child-proof and adult-proof. Okay, ridiculous. Ah, hallelujah, got it open. Better smell good. It smells kind of like tea tree oil. But it's shower gel, so awesome. All that work. We'll try it, we'll see if I like it. All right, next is one I'm excited about. I still have foil in my mouth. It's really gross. Okay, another seal. Another seal, you guys. I'm just gonna use up all my camera storage while we wait for me to open this. Cats, go get me some scissors. See, I'd go grab one, but I'm actually attached to a microphone. So it kind of sucks. Because if I get up, I gotta unhook. You're gonna hear a bunch of static. It's not fun. So we're just gonna use my useless nails and open it. And now we got a Jack in the box, because my cat's name is Jack. Say hi, Jack. Jack in the box. Okay. Okay, here we go. The Alfred French press coffee maker. And I'm really excited about this because I don't drink a lot of coffee, but when I do, I make it a good one. And I'll do a future video on how to use this and we both can learn. But it is a coffee French press. Now, I also read that you can use all kinds of things in the coffee press other than coffee. So I will do the, oh, it's pretty. It is pretty. Okay, that's that. If you have any suggestions, Comment below to your heart's content. And I will make a future video about this because I want to know, and I'm sure a lot of you out there who have never used one might want to know. Cool. Okay, I'll get that back in there as best as I can. And then finally, I got tea towels with it. I do need tea towels, so this is great. It's not one of these ooh-ah things, but actually they feel pretty nice. Simply Whimsical tea towels. And they're in gray, like a chevron pattern. Awesome. So to recap, we got the French press, the tea towels, the lip duo, the exfoliant, which my hand kind of feels soft already, the beauty blender, super love, highly recommend, and the shower gel. Stay tuned to find out if I like it. And the Cobra wireless earbuds, really excited about that. And it says charging time 2 hours, playing time 4 hours, talking time 4.5 hours, and standby time 90. That's really cool. You can even get your phone calls on that and everything. Awesome. I wonder if it turns into a microphone. And the Glam Glow bubble sheets, I will try it. I will report back. I don't know about these. I hate the feel of sheet masks. And that's it. Oh, one more thing. I will put a code below for $10 off your first box, so look in the description below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and be sure to click the subscribe button for more videos. And that's it. That's my FabFitFun Fall 2018 box. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.